Blessed be the Yahweh, Father of our Elohim Yeshua. It is by His great mercy that we have been born again, because Yahweh raised Yeshua Mashiach from the dead. Now we live with great expectation, and we have a priceless inheritance, an inheritance that is kept in heaven for you, pure and undefiled, beyond the reach of change and decay. And through your faith, Yahweh is protecting you by His power until you receive the salvation which is ready to be revealed on the last day for all to see. So be truly glad. There is a wonderful joy ahead. Even though you must endure many trials for a little while, these trials will show that your faith is genuine. It is being tested as a fire test that purifies gold. Although your faith are far more precious than miracle. So when your faith remains strong through many trials, it will bring you much praise and honor and glory the day when Yeshua Mashiach reveals the whole world. You love Him even though you never have seen Him. Though you do not see Him now, you trust Him, and you rejoice with a glorious and inexpressible joy. The reward for trusting Him will be the salvation of your soul. This salvation was something even the prophet wanted to know more about when they prophesied about His gracious salvation prepared for you. They wondered what time or situation the Spirit of Christ within them when He told them in advance Christ's suffering and His great glory afterwards. They were told that their message were not for themselves but for you. But now, this good news has been announced to you by those who preach in the power of the Holy Spirit sent from heaven. And it is also wonderful that even the angels are eagerly watching these things happen. This is from 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 3 to 12. I hope you like. Thank you and be blessed. God bless.